Hello again. Dr. Crusher is back, and I want to know that all of you out there are crushing all the material that I'm giving you. All right? Because I know you are. So, we've crushed LCD. Now, we're going to use LCD to add fractions, because that's why we learned it. Okay? We learned LCD because we're going to use it to add fractions. All right, so my beautiful assistant is here, and she's going to stand up and let me walk over to my seat so I can sit down at the computer and show you how we're going to crush fractions. It's off. Okay, so we'll circle around. Here I am. Okay. Beautiful assistant, you're going to focus in on the computer. How to add LCD to add or subtract fractions. I have an example, 3/10 plus 1/12. Now I've already written down that the LCD is of 10 and 12 is 60. Beautiful assistant, if you could focus on me for a second. What I want everyone to do out there is stop the video. Okay, not you, beautiful assistant, don't you stop the video. Everyone out there, stop the video, and I want you to crush and confirm that the LCD of 10 and 12 is 60. Okay? I'll wait. Welcome back! All right, beautiful assistant, we're here. Let's use that 60 to add 3/10 and 1/12. What you want to think of is that you can't add immediately 3/10 and 1/12 because they're two different pizza stores. This pizza store with the 10 takes their pizza and cuts it into 10 slices. This pizza store over here takes their pizza and cuts it into 12 slices. So you want to have some way of some other pizza that you can use to compare to both of them. All right? Now you notice that I have kind of a funky looking fraction next to the 3/10 and a funky looking fraction next to the 1/12. That fraction is going to be the multiplier for the 3/10 and for the 1/12. So the question that you want to ask is what goes into the empty denominator box right over there next to the 10, and what goes into the empty denominator box next to the 12? That's your first question. All right, see if you can come up with the answer. Beautiful assistant, if you can focus on me. Again, everybody out there, I want you to stop the video. See if you can answer that question first. Okay? I'll wait. Welcome back! Beautiful assistant, back to here. All right, let's look at the next screen where I'm going to answer that question. And you'll see that the number has been filled in. 6 next to the 10 and 5 next to the 12. Where do those numbers come from? 10 needs to be multiplied by 6 to reach that LCD of 60. And 12 needs to be multiplied by 5 to reach the LCD of 60 as well. In other words, we got to multiply those denominators by the number to get that LCD. All right? Okay, let's look at the next screen. What we now do, whatever we put into the bottom, we're going to put into the top. Whatever we put into the bottom, we're going to put into the top. Now we multiply across like we always do to multiply fractions. And 6 times 3 was 18, and 12 times 5, or 5 times 1 was 5. Now we have a pizza with 60 slices. So we can add both, and we see that we have 23 slices out of the, quote, original 60. All right, I believe that's my last screen. That is my last screen. Okay. So, I hope you enjoy this. And what I want you to think of, this procedure is something to memorize. And you just gotta put away your questions. And why does it work, Dr. Crusher? Tell me why it works. Don't worry why it works. You're gonna believe me that it works. Just like, and I've used this example with other people before. If I go to the gym and I'm doing my biceps, and I go all the way up here. Someone comes up to me and says, "Hey, Dr. Crusher, stop there." And if that guy or gal has biceps that are twice the size, I don't ask why. I listen. I want you to listen to me and believe that Dr. Crusher knows what he's talking about. All right. See you next time.